Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mystic Yudani. So today we are going to do no contact, no communication reading for Pisces. This is a general reading. Please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So the roles can be reversed. It can be you or your person's energy. So see how it resonates with you. So let's see what do the cards have for you, Pisces. Okay, what is the overall energy in this no contact, no communication situation? What is the overall energy in this no contact, no communication situation for Pisces? What is the overall energy here for Pisces? No contact, no communication situation. What is the overall energy for Pisces? No contact, no communication situation. Overall energy for Pisces. Last shuffle. Okay. Ten of Pentacles. Fine. Let's see what does the person think for you. What does the person think for you, Pisces? What does the person think for you? What does the person think for you? What does the person think for you? What does the person think of you? What does the person think for you, Pisces? Let's see. Okay. Alright. Let's see what does the person feel for you here. What does the person feel for you or for this connection? What does the person feel for you or for this connection? Oops, what's happened? 1 second, guys. Alright, sorry for that. What does the person feel for you? What does the person feel for you? Last shuffle. Okay. Let's see why have they gone silent? Why there is silence in this situation? Okay. What's happening? Let's see what is blocking this connection. 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 Okay. What is the advice for you here, Pisces? What is the advice for you here? What is the advice for you here? Alright. Okay, so I don't know what is happening. It's blocking this connection. Okay. Yeah, sorry for that, yaar. What is the next move, if any? Okay. What is the advice for you here, Pisces? What is the advice for you here? What is the advice for you here? What is the advice for you, my dear Pisces? What is the advice for you? What is the advice for you? Okay. Alright. Bottom of the deck we have Knight of Pentacles. So if you're planning to take a move, if you have something in your mind about so many ideas, strategies, plans running in your mind about making a move towards a person, it's all about it's all in your head, but you're not actually taking any action towards it. Okay, let's see what is the card. What do the cards have in detail? Okay, so the overall energy here I see is about celebration, family thing. It can be either one of you or both of you focus on your family traditions, follow your family, what your family's expectation basically. Okay, and also about focusing on your growth or creating a family for some of you. Okay, so that's the overall energy. Okay, let's see what does the person think about you. The person definitely thinks of a emotional connection with you. They feel that emotional bond with you. This is a very beautiful card, but at the same time they feel emotional fulfillment when they feel with you. When they are with you, they basically can be themselves. I think, like, there is no fear of being judged. They are openly expressing their emotions, and there is a thought of exchanging emotions and feelings with you. That is what this person basically thinks for you. Yeah, let's see what's coming up. This person feels for you that you are a very confident, independent person. Male, female, doesn't matter. It can be anyone here, like the male watching for females and females watching for their males. So the person here is very confident, very independent. They are a spiritual person also, for some of you I'm seeing, and they know what do they need to do, and they are not afraid of taking stand for themselves. Okay, they know how to set boundaries for themselves, which is a very good thing. Okay, and at the same time they are very confident on choosing what do they want in the long term in their life, be it their relation, be it anything. But they are very confident, very determined to get what do they really want, and that is what this person likes about you, or you like about them. Okay, yeah. So let's see what is the issue if everything is good. So why they have gone silent is, I think there is somewhere, you know, something which is causing them to think a lot, and they are looking to move towards a calmer water. It's like maybe not the current issue, maybe somewhere they have experienced in the past relations, or maybe the childhood trauma or something, and they are kind of now looking to move forward. It's like enough of dealing with the same emotion, same trauma, and now I want to move forward for my own good, for my own growth. And they want to move forward, and since they are planning to move forward somewhere, that is why they are not reaching out. Yeah. Okay, what is blocking this connection is, see, they are moving forward. See, six of wands, six of swords, and knight of swords. So they are moving for their own peace, for their own growth. Okay, for their own you know long term peace, basically mental, emotional peace. But at the same time they want to make a move towards you, but there will be challenges and obstacles which is blocking this connection somewhere. I think, given they want to follow their family tradition, and because of that they are now, I'm done dealing with this so much issues, and I will do what is good for the family, maybe the family tradition or something, and which might be challenging for them. It is not easy, there may be so many obstacles on their way, but they are somewhere ready to do that. And that is why, following their family tradition, this connection is being blocked, because they are doing what, being a fighter, being like, I can do it, I know what is good for me or for my family in the long run, and I will do what is good. Thinking of all that, they are doing what is good for them instead of focusing on this connection. Yeah. For some of you, I also see they might, they might be thinking of, as I said, everything is running in their head. They might be thinking of making a move towards you, but everything is in their head, and now they are ready to come out of this strategy thing and take action. But at the same time, it's very challenging for them. It's not easy for them, and they are ready to take that. They are ready to take that move, make that move. And somewhere it's not easy, and because of that there is some, you know kind of slow movement happening. Okay, let's see what is the advice. Oh, sorry, what if they reach out, if they are reaching out to you. So I think they are somewhere, initially they might try to put themselves in a defensive mindset, like they might try to explain either to you or to the to the family thing, whatever is, if anything is involved like that, that whatever they are doing is, that will make them, that will give them a piece of satisfaction. It is not something which is harmful for them, but at the same time it will be kind of self defensive mode. They might also be in a self defensive mode where they need to show show what they have done till now, or what they have achieved till now, because things are not, as I said, things are not easy for them, right? There are obstacles, there are challenges in their way. Things are not easy, but still they are not giving up, which is a very good thing. So there is a communication coming your way. Maybe expect within 7 days, 7 to 8 days, something is coming towards on the communication part. Something is definitely coming, but it can be either you or your person energy, where one of you might act in a self defensive mode, okay, which is somewhere, sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. You need to know where you need to take stand for yourself, okay. So that is what I see is happening. Let's see what is the advice for you, Pisces, here. The advice for you here is to create balance, okay. Things will work in your favor, but you should know how to create balance here, okay. You need to know. See, if you are struggling with a family tradition, following a family tradition, and whatever is happening is not working towards how you planned, you need to create a balance to deal with the situation, okay. You just running away is not a solution for anything, right? So you need to create a balance to deal with the situation. This is a major arcana card, okay. So major arcana is basically which tells about the major areas of your life, okay, not the day-to-day things. So this card is basically telling about telling you to create balance. It's like creating balance in what do you want, because things will work in your favor, but you should know how to deal with the situation by not letting it impact in a negative way, either to you or to the other people. Just try to find a middle way of getting the things done and do the things in that way. Then things will definitely turn in your favor. But yeah, that is how it is. So you need to create balance and things will work in your favor. That's the advice for you. Let's see what are the other messages coming in for you, Pisces. Here we will take 3 messages. We will take 3 random messages. What are the messages coming in for you, Pisces? Okay, we'll take this. Happiness. See, once you know what do you want in your life, and once you figure out a way of doing things, you will definitely feel happy. Things right now may be quite challenging. You might be feeling that there are so many obstacles on your way, but if you figure out a way of doing things, love, see, love is in your way. Love is with you, okay. So you're being loved. You're loved by the universe. You're loved by your family. You're loved by your person. But you do not have to give up, okay. Giving up is not easy. Giving up is not advisable. So just try to figure out a way to deal with the situation, and things will definitely work. Prayer. So whenever you deal with a difficult situation, right, not you specifically, in general I'm saying, whenever we deal with a difficult situation, prayers definitely help, okay. So don't give up. Whatever the divine power you believe in, just pray to that power, pray to that energy, and just seek their guidance. And seeking guidance from them is, you can do it through meditation, okay. Meditation is basically listening to your inner voice, to see and to listen to your intuition, what is for your highest good, because your inner voice will say only once and you need to listen to it, okay. So just focus on doing that and things will definitely work in your favor, okay. That's the reading, guys. If you have liked it, please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.